Well, we at least ran a 790, I think with a 2, maybe. I don't remember. But, I don't know if you can hear. But, we're back at our old spot again. And the transmission is out.
I have blue on a stick, I think.
It's going to be a long day today.
So yeah, we're doing a rear main again. Transmission's out. So is the rear main. Hey, but we won a 790 with a 5. Oh, day 2.
Alright, so we just got done with our transmission and we are now at the first checkpoint of day 2 maybe? I don't remember. You're at Poopies for checkpoint 1 of day 2. On to the next. We just got to McDonald's because Poopies is closed and we couldn't eat at Poopies, so we're here at McDonald's. And I'm hungry, so like, let's go.
We're on the road, finally. Day 2, we took 4 hits to finally get a good one. We went a 790, but we start off with 3 big burnouts on the starting line. Literally kicked the tires, tried to pedal it, kicked tires again, didn't work out. Kicked our butts a whole bunch, and then we pushed out a rear main seal. Very last hit. Thank goodness it worked out the way it did. We stuck around the track. We were able to take the transmission out, put a new rear main seal in. Now we're on the road. A little later than we wanted to be, but hey, this is day 2, and we're hopefully gonna make it to day 3 and keep on going.
Doesn't want us here, so we got rained out, but that's okay because we have a lot of oil from our rear main seal issue, and I think the rain is going to give us a little detail. So yeah, and I'm going to sleep like always.
Hi, Pace. Where are we at?
Lena.
We're Lena. We're at the chicken place. Check us out. Checkpoint 1, day 3. Rain out day. We're on the road, just driving in the rain, and well, hopefully we got ahead of the storm. Maybe we're behind the storm. Anyways, we're gonna sit this one out for a little bit, let the rain pass, and hopefully get on the road in less rain. And we're back in the car. Awesome stop at the Lena. Lena? What do they call it? Lena? Lena. Did you see that I in Lena though? Anyways, back in the car. It's not raining so bad, but that's what you get to see out this windshield. Street cars without windshield wipers.
after the rain out, so I'm excited for that. I can't wait to go to sleep early. I'm really tired.
Got done with our second pass of the day. Our first pass, we went up there, went about 10 feet and spun. Turns out we pulled the track up. The tire is definitely stuck. The car was rotating. It felt like it was coming up on the front tire again, and boom, tire let go, car nosed over. I tried to do a quick pedal to drive it down the track, and it shut the throttle body off on me. So that's been kind of a common occurrence this week is, well, our drive-by-wire, whenever I try to pedal it, it's making boost. The Holley's going into limp mode. So it's basically either the motor's too weak or the drivers are too weak to operate the motor while boost is going through there, and it sees the difference between the pedal and the throttle body, so it gets panicked and shuts it off. So second pass, went out there and it caught air again. It grabbed the wheel, went up in the air, and I was able to just ever so eloquently just bobble the throttle and it brought it back down. And well, that got us an 805 at 169 mile an hour, which is good enough to keep us in a 7-second average for the week. Now I have to battle with my own self here. Do I want a 7 at each track all week long? Or do I want a 7-second average? Am I okay with a 7-second average? If so, I can turn this 805 in and go on down the road. Or am I stuck on 7s at every track? I don't know yet. So, on one hand, we can turn that one in, get this car turned over, and we're ready to hit the road. Byron's the last day, and we swing for it even harder at Byron. Bob's helped me with some tunes this week. I told him, if I take this, then we have to run an 80 tomorrow, just because. We got to make up for going an 8 at this track. Got done with day 4 of 6 summer. We made 30 passes today. 3. First one we spun pretty bad. Second one we went down, we wheelied, we were in 805. And then third one, before that, we were kind of iffy on going back up, either because if we turned in the 80, we would still have our 7-second average, but could make another 7 and have 7s all week. But our last pass we spun pretty bad, so we are going to have to take our 8.0. But that's okay, because we still have our 7-second average.
first checkpoint for day 4, and here we are. I think it might be closed right now, but maybe next year we'll try to come in here a little bit earlier so we can go see what's inside, because I think 1320 went inside and did a little walk around, but last checkpoint of day 4 for 6th summer. This is the Freeport block party, but there's no party here. It's empty. Alright, so we are back at Byron, Illinois for day 5 of 6th summer. We're gonna make some more passes today, and if we do any good ones and we get our 7 and the car's healthy after that, we might be able to turn it up and then see what we do after.
Is your winner.
And we're done. Chick Summer 26 in the books. We came here never running a 7, and we ran, I think, 6 of them. Our new personal best, 787. And man, it feels awesome. We made it through the week. We didn't hurt anything. We had a little bit of work. We had a struggle there. We had to put the transmission out, do rear main gasket. I don't know why or how that happened, but well, we got through it. Our buddy Ortiz here, he came on a mission. He made the decision he was going to win this race, and he busted his ass, got it. So props to him for taking the win. Our buddy Chuck, well, he was fighting some issues with rear end. Is what it is. He got through the week as well. Got to drive it on the trailer. I got to drive mine on the trailer. I finished 4th overall in the heavy metal class. I'm just excited. 794 was our average for the week. That moves us way up in the top 100. Well, until next time, shout out all the people who helped me get here. Guys at Driven, guys at Mickey Thompson, our buddies over at Melling, guys at Summit. All those guys are following around here at the track, and one way or another, they helped us out, either with parts, oils, whatever. They definitely came through and gave us a hand. We're out of here.